Setting up invitetracker.com with Discord is a very simple thing to do, and in this video I will be showing you exactly how to do it. So first thing first, I will be providing the invitetracker.com link in the description so you guys can check it out. So furthermore, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you can get the future updates pretty quickly. So let's dive right into the video. So what you have to do is to sign up into your Discord account, and once you're into Discord, make sure that you have a server set up in the Discord as I have here, which is Technopus server. So what I have to do further is go back to the invitetracker.com, which says invite-tracker.com. So just go ahead and log in with your Discord account right here. So once you will click on login, it will redirect you to the authorization page of the invite tracker and the Discord. So here what you have to do is to allow and disallow the permissions that you want to give and permissions that you don't want to give. For example, it will access your username, avatar, and banner. Now what your server you are in, and obviously it won't read your bedtime stories. So what you have to do is to authorize it. So once you have authorized it, you will be redirected back to the invitetracker.com. So in here, make sure that you go to the dashboard. In the dashboard, simply go ahead and click on the server that you are in. For example, I have this Technova server that I want, and what I have to do is to go ahead and click on the invite button. So once I'll do click on the invite button, it will open up a new tab right on the main page, which will also need access to the Discord account. So what you have to do is to simply press the continue button after selecting the server name, and give as many permissions as you want to give the permissions to that board and simply authorize it. So once you will click on the authorize button, it will wait for your confirmation, and by doing so, your TechnoOpus server is now connected with the invitetracker.com. So here you guys can see that the invitetracker.com is working fine, which is right here. So what I have to do is to go back to the invitetracker.com and click on configure button. So from here, what I can do is configure all the roles and other management things in the dashboard. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.